This video is dealing with rounding a value within a function. What we're going to do is we're going to click on B14, and right now you can see that there are 3 decimal places after this number, and most of the time when you're dealing with numbers you'll either have 2 decimal places or you won't have any decimal places depending on the way you set up your formula or your function. We're going to click to the right of this equal sign in our formula bar and type in the letter RO, and when you do that a list pops down for you to choose from. We want to double click on round, and it automatically puts in the word round and opens your parentheses. At the end of your formula you want to put in a comma, and then the number that follows the comma will be how many decimal places the number will be rounded to. So in this example we're going to put 0 and then close your parentheses, and when you press enter that takes away the rounding part of the figure, and now you're left with a whole number. You can copy that formula over and it will take effect for every number that you choose in that cell reference. However, remember your formula is different when you get down here to average. Okay, so you don't want to copy this formula all the way down. You would want to do it line by line, but that's the way you can easily round a number. Another way that you can take out your decimals if you're not wanting to put in the formula for rounding is you can click on like B15 where you got the average and there's 4 decimal places there. In your number grouping you have these 2 little icons. This one is for increasing your decimal. This one is for decreasing your decimal. If we click on decrease decimal, it's going to take that number down to a whole number, and it's going to take away those decimals, but you're not actually putting in the function for rounding when you do this. You're only taking out your decimals. In B14, we actually put in the function for rounding. So just notice that that's the difference between the two, but either way you can get rid of your decimals.